everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a plan with week for the week of the 15th through the 21st. Now let's take a look back at the previous week. I used a kit here from Hello Petite Paper. This was one of her mini kits. So today is currently Thursday. I am on track for filming this plan with me. I'm going to apologize ahead of time. I accidentally didn't turn my microphone on, so I'm actually filming a voiceover for this portion of the video, so I'm sorry if things seem like I'm pointing at something and it's not quite syncing up with the audio. So yeah, so far this week is going very well. I am very, very proud of myself because I actually did work out the entire week, and I've had more energy than usual, so my plans are going pretty well. So let's get into the kit that I'm actually going to use this week. I picked up this kit from Planner Kate. This is a mini kit called the Kaleidoscope Kit, and for my mini kits I normally pick up the sampler page, and then I also pick up the full boxes. Along with these two pages, I also recently picked up the thin washi because Planner Kate has been releasing thin washies for her mini kits. I'm going to also be pulling in these scalloped labels. These are leftovers from another Planner Kate kit, but I thought the colors went perfectly, they matched perfectly with this kit. So I have my pre-planning sheet. I have these date covers from ColourPop paper with this beautiful like matte gold foil. I have some foil overlays from Scribble Prints Co. These are full box overlays, and then these bow clips from Inky and the Brain, and then some scripts like film edit and upload script from Planner Kate. And then I've been using this confetti overlay. I want to say this is like the 15mm confetti overlay tape from Girl Boss Anna. I've really been enjoying using that in my spreads. So let's get into the rest of the plan with me. I've really been enjoying these Planner Kate kits because her full boxes, she has 4 full boxes that kind of have this empty white space, and I've loved using these full boxes to put a checklist inside of it. So typically I post 4 times a week, so my weekly videos Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and then on Sunday I post the plan with me, so I can put like my YouTube checklists inside of those full boxes and not really take up my checklist, like my top 3 tasks that I have to get done during the week. So I kind of love that I can use the, like, it has like a decorative border, and I can use that full box, you know, as a decorative piece, but I can also make it functional. And the washi strips this time, I decided not to put them down first and actually cut them down, because previously when I had planned with these washi strips, they are the length of the entire box. I had laid them down first and then tried putting the full boxes on top of that, but things weren't laying down flat and it messed with the overlays. Like, it made the overlays a little bumpy. You could see like an edge on it, and I prefer this method a lot better, where again I put the full boxes down first and then I lay down my thin washi. I do have to cut it. It is a little bit more work, but not that much more work, and I think it looks so much cleaner and crisper. So for my washi on top, I decided to go all the way across on the right hand side and then do like this little cut out flag shape on the left hand side. And then of course, like I said, I've been really enjoying these overlay tapes from Girl Boss Anna. I can pretty much use the confetti dot one with every spread that I do, because it's sparse enough that you can actually still see the design underneath it, and it gives just enough sparkle, just enough foiling to kind of tie the other foils, the accent foils that I use throughout the spread, and kind of tie everything together. Yeah, so the rest of my setup is the typical setup that I've been doing, like my date covers and kind of my little sidebar area. It's just been the same thing that I've been doing every other week pretty much. I'm so happy that I used this kit. It's so bright and colorful and lively, and I have been feeling a lot better this week, so I'm glad that I used a kit that's very colorful. Not that my other Plan With Me's have been like super muted or anything, because I love using bright colors in the summertime, but it's really reflecting my mood going into this next week, because I managed to go to yoga 3 times. I'm going to start weight training next week. Everything's going to be done like at a slow, moderate pace. I'm obviously going to protect my back. I'm actually thinking about wearing a brace for a little bit more support when I do like my legs day. But yeah, everything has just been going very, very well. I've had a lot of energy. Even though I don't feel as energetic as I used to feel, I feel like I'm coming out of that like funk that I've been in for the past couple of months. So I've just learned that I have to take it day by day and that every week can be different. I'm hopeful that next week will be another good week. I didn't put too much on my plate for next week just in case it goes downhill and I just don't have the energy to get much done. So let's go into day by day. I started off with marking Hello Monday. I'm using up these stickers. I'm trying to remember where I got them from. I got them as either part of an oops bag. I think these are like a tasseled planner oopsie, and I'm just trying to use those stickers in every spread because I do want to fully use them up and get them out of my collection. So I marked that I have a VA appointment and that I'm going to try to do my yoga basics class on Monday. For Tuesday, it is going to be kind of I'm trying to make it a productive day. So I marked $2 Tuesday. I'm going to do my weight training in the morning. I also have my HelloFresh delivery coming in. I am getting HelloFresh now on a weekly basis. I really, really like it so far. I've been enjoying cooking with my husband. And then I'm also going to try to film 2 videos on Tuesday. I have a lot of videos that I want to film because I am going to be going to the SPC party in a few weeks. And I just want to kind of film ahead of schedule so that I actually have videos to post that week that I'm going to the SPC party. Wednesday is going to be a pretty busy day. I have yoga. I want to film another video. I'm going to film a declutter video. Those are a little bit on the longer side, so I want to just give a whole day just to film one of my makeup declutter videos. Of course, I have to do my cat litter. I do that every single Wednesday, and then I marked a reminder to take my Nuva ring out. On Thursday, I have another workout weight training. I'm going to be doing my legs that day. Filming my plan with me's as I typically do on Thursdays. I marked trash day and then I put a little flag for editing videos. I'm going to try to get a lot of videos edited before the weekend. On Friday, I have my last yoga class. This is my gentle yoga and restorative yoga. I have another VA appointment Friday, and then I have my very first wine subscription from HelloFresh coming in on Friday. So I'm actually really excited about that. So Saturday, I'm hosting a game night with some board game friends, and then I'm going to spend most of the day editing videos. And again, I wanted to break up the editing over 2 days so that I'm not feeling overwhelmed on Saturday. Sunday, I have a pedicure appointment, and then I wanted to make sure I marked getting a face mask done because I do need to start kind of relaxing and pampering myself on the weekends, and then of course getting my weekly groceries done. So I'm going to go ahead and fill out my spread with my favorite pen. This is the Papermate Ink Joy Gel pen in the 0.7. I end up going back in and putting down some of those like film edits and upload scripts from Planner Kate. Yeah, and that's pretty much it for this weekly spread. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I really like the way this week turned out. Please give this video a thumbs up if you do. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I currently post 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And then on Sundays, I like to film a plan with me. So hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.